Hey guys, Mike with Desert Rat 2000. Today we're going to make a little ring using this stainless 1/4-inch round bar. I'll explain why we're going to do this. If you've had oil heat before, you know that you have a delivery and you'll come in. So first thing I'll do is come to the house, pull the wheel up in the truck, and bring my measuring stick back and stick the tank to see how much oil's in there before I even start filling. Some tanks are super deep, so when you start putting this stick in, you'll put the stick in, and it's followed by the chain. It's going in there, and if something should happen where you all of a sudden let go of the chain, boom, chain, stick, everything's in the bottom of the tank, and you'll never see it again. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to increase the size of this ring right here so that it's bigger around than this 2-inch diameter here. So we're going to take this piece here, go over, and I'll show you how I'm going to make a ring out of it. Okay, so I got the top of this argon bottle here, and it had a hole in it already. It made me think that's a nice circle, but it's a little big, so I went and made a smaller circle right here in the top. So I'll put that in the vise here. First thing I noticed about this vise that I'm going to fix is that this handle is way too small. It should be a lot bigger, so I'm going to fix that up pretty soon. But okay, so anyways, we're going to put that guy there, and let me see so I can see what I'm doing here. Set this piece of round bar in there, and we're just going to start to bend it right around here like so, and then I'll have to reposition this a little bit here, probably one time. Reposition there, keep on bending it around. I'm going to go past itself a little bit because then it'll kind of find its own circle will start to line back up with itself. I'll show you here in a second when I'm going to go a little more than I need here. A little bit more. Okay. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to have to take this up and pull it out of there later, but anyways, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So we got that ring pretty much lines up right about there. So now I got a ring that's obviously is not going to fit through the top of there once I connect it to that chain. So, all right, guys, I'll bring you back. I'm going to go up top in the garage, set up the welder, and once I get all set up, I'll bring you back and we'll weld her up, and then we'll see the finished product. Okay. Okay, guys, up in the garage here, got the TIG machine set at 93 amps, so we're going to give this ring here that we're doing a little tack, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, real nice, real nice. We'll just change the position on this thing and give her a little shot from this side here. A little vice grip clamp here. I'm going to build a TIG torch holder here pretty soon. I'm looking real forward to that. Do another little tack right there. And then I got another little surprise I got in the makings I'm going to show you guys here in a sec. Alright guys, looks real good. Bring this over to you. You can take a look at it. Looks pretty good, I think, from right there, what we can see. Focus in on it a little bit. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, so the next project I'm going to work on here is I've got this little... Here, let me put you on pause for just a second here, and I'll set up, and then I'll bring you back real quick. Okay, guys, this is what I got going here for my next little project. I want to get a turntable set up so I can sit and hold the torch eventually in one spot, and then let the turntable just spin around, and then I can just weld up pipe and stuff like that. So what I got going here so far is I got this drill motor, and I got this little switch right here, and this is just a dimmer switch, and I didn't think it would work because it's 600 watt dimmer switch, and I didn't think it would work on electric motor, but I ended up finding out that's turned on there, and as you start to go down with it, big thing I wanted to be able to do was to sit and spin real slow, and this seems to do the trick. So that's going to give me, you know, definitely slow enough. So I'm going to refine this, and the other option that I have too here as well, let me shut this off, is one thing I do is think about grounding when I'm all done to make sure that I can ground. And when everything's spinning, it's hard to get a ground. So with this Volkswagen distributor that I got here, I just kind of tapered this piece of round bar down, and it fits in here, and I can true that up nice, and I can actually get this in here like that, and this will be much easier to mount to something because of this round base under the distributor here, this round base, and this can be grounded easily by just, you know, putting the ground clamp on there. And so once I got that all set up, let's just say that we were coming up underneath something like so, and then I turned her on. Okay, why don't we have power here? Should be going here. Oh, okay, I was way down. Sorry, guys. So back to what we were talking about here is if I have this mounted somehow like this, you can see how that's spinning. I just got to come up with a flat top for it, and I don't know if you can see that from there. So I'll give you a little. See, that's pretty slow. I can go down a little more. So that's kind of what I got going next. I'm looking forward to that. I'll probably get into that a little bit later today. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Mike here, Desert Rat 2000. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.